Enterprise Fleet Management hopes you never have to experience an automotive accident. But if you do, our risk management program is here to make the process as easy as possible. We'll handle the entire claims process, arrange for repairs, and even set up a rental car for added support. Our holistic, convenient approach includes access to reporting claims 24/7, as well as expert claim handling by support coordinators. In the eFleets app, tap the accident report icon and you'll be guided through each step, including submitting photos of vehicle damage directly in the app. Or, if you prefer, call 1-800-325-8838. Select option 2, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time to initiate a claim. By working with our preferred network of repair facilities, the process is streamlined to include faster approval and payment, with the goal of minimizing vehicle downtime. You'll be referred to one of our thousands of enterprise-approved collision repair centers, where only one estimate is needed for approval. These repair centers offer the highest quality service in the industry. Our repair compliance team, who are ICAR certified, ensures repairs are compliant with industry standards and contracted pricing. You can stay informed on the vehicle status through our client website, as well as opt in to reporting that can be sent to your email. Your support coordinators can also help arrange for a rental while your vehicle is being repaired. At Enterprise Fleet Management, your driver's safety and well-being are our top priorities. An enterprise adjuster will work to determine who's at fault in the accident. If you're not at fault, our recovery team will pursue the at-fault party for damages. In the event of a dispute over who's at fault, Enterprise will conduct all settlement negotiations on your behalf. Contact your client strategy manager if you have any questions about risk management.